Hey, can you see me? Can you see me? Here I am. Can you see me? Oi, can you see me? Okay, so I got this multi-tool flashlight, and the reason why I got it is because it's great to have as an extra tool in your glove box of your car because of the functions that it does, and also it's a great extra tool to have in your boat or just in general. Now it's got the knife, it's got a bottle opener, it's got scissors, it's got screwdriver, hexagon wrench. It's even got like a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and that's why it's good to have in your glove box. And also the alarm, it's got an alarm function as well, which we'll have a look at, and also the torch itself. So let's open it up and see what we get. Got my trusty little knife. Which is blunt. They make these packages so tough. Alright. Right. So straight off the bat, it feels heavy duty. It feels durable. And yeah, so let's have a look. What's this? So this is the warranty, and you have some instructions on the other side. All right, let's see how heavy it is. And it's 205, almost 206 grams. So let's see how long it is. So it sits at around about the 18 centimeter mark, or 7.2 or 7.1.5 inches. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Right, so the glass cutter that's in it, so it tucks away, which is good because it's pointy and it's not dangerous. So, but to bring it out, you just push this button backwards and it brings it out. It's quite good, isn't it? And it keeps it in there. It won't come out. Right, so let's go through the tools. So what have we got here? We got the knife. Let's see. Let's see if it's sharp. I mean, this is thick cardboard, but oh yeah, it is too. Very sharp. Open it from this side. So we got like a wrench. There's this side. So you got your beer bottle opener. Beer bottle. I mean any bottle opener. And you got your Phillips screw head. Well, we can see that right there. Let's put them all up. And then you have your, okay, so let's see. Yes, it's a spring-loaded. It's a spring-loaded scissors. Now, the big test, can it cut anything? Let's have a look. Not really in a position to be. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, don't expect too much from it. But that's basically it, guys, for the little tools. Alright. How do we open her up? It says here, close, open. So we do have the batteries already installed. Let's have a look. So we've got a little plastic tab here, which we will pull out. And that should turn on now. So it does indicate where to twist it. So to close, to the right, clockwise, anti-clockwise to unscrew it. And let's have a look. Okay, so it's on. Okay, so you pull it to reduce the dot or reduce the light to a smaller concentrated area, and you pull it to make it big. 3 sets or 3 modes. So that's obviously the flashy one when you're in trouble. This one's the main light, I guess. This one's a smaller, oh, it's got a smaller flash, doesn't it? Oh, actually, no, it's not a flash. It's only the camera can't keep up with the frame rate. So it is a lighter torch, right? So it's not as strong as the first one. So the first one is your brightest. Second one is second bright, like it's a bit less brighter. And then you have your emergency flickering on and off. And last but not least is the, oh no, there's 2 more things actually. So this is the seatbelt cutter. So the blade is in there, so if you're wearing a seatbelt and it won't come loose, or actually you could really cut anything with this. The blade's in there, as I demonstrate. So with cloth obviously, or whatever vinyl, it will cut it straight through. So that's pretty good. I really like that little detail in there. This is aluminium or alloy, and this is like a rubbery, grippy handle. Okay, so now for the alarm, let's see how loud this is going to be. You hold in the power button for 3 seconds, and once to turn off. Very cool. I'm really liking this one. And that's it, guys. So what do you think? Is it something that you think you might want to get? Anyway, if you do, the links are in the description. Go down, click on them, go check it out. There's a few other ones there to have a look at, different colors, different brands as well. The one I wanted wasn't there, the brand, but anyway, I got this one, and it seems to be pretty good. So I'd say all of them would be pretty good. But yeah, go down, check them out, and see what you think. So I'll let you go on this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right. Can you see me? Okay. Bye.